All right, if you look at my wrists right now, I have two different tracking devices. I have been an Apple Watch user for multiple years, but I have been wanting to get a screenless band that helps me be better with my health. We've got to talk about this because as an Apple Watch user, I am very pleased with this product. Now, Hume Health, they did send this band out for me to check out, but all of my opinions with this product are my own. I really wanted to test this in my own way. I wanted to test it as a dad of three, as somebody that is turning 30 years old, as somebody who is trying to give back and pay attention to their terrible sleep cycles, making sure to hit those step goals during the day and to just optimize my health overall. And one thing that is very unique about this Hume Health Band is that it contains features that other standard typical bands don't have. And I love that. I want to talk about my full experience with this. And I want to let you know if I think it is worth it. And I'm at the point now to where I feel like with my Apple Watch, I can finally say that I can get rid of this and just wear a normal watch again while still having the ability to monitor my health in the way that I want. And we've tested this 2.0 band for multiple weeks. And I first want to start with the comfort. I think that this is a very comfortable device. The Velcro is very strong on this band. Now mine has picked up a little bit of lint, but you can probably just pluck that right off, right? I like the way it looks. It has a nice design. It has this cool charcoal looking color with the little Hume Health icon. And to me, it's so comfortable that I can sleep with this band. It's so comfortable that I can wear this to the office and not have any concerns of, hey, I feel like taking this thing off, right? So I really like the design of it. The way it looks with how lightweight it is, I think they did a really good job with the design overall. And the actual tracker itself pops out. So I did hand wash this band whenever I was doing a very dirty job with this tracker on, and it washed right up. I let it air dry and I was good to go to pop the tracker back into the band, and I was good to go. And Hume, I think it would be cool if you guys offered different colors and different styles of these bands. You can sell different customization bands on your website. I think that that would be really cool to allow this product to be a little bit more customization heavy. And this is water resistant as well. So swimming, showers, or occasional rainfalls, whatever, I think you will be good in terms of your water resistance as well. And one issue I have with the Apple Watch is definitely the battery. Even with this Apple Watch Ultra 2, the battery can at most last me a day and a half, 2 days, right? Now, one thing I noticed with this, especially since you don't have that crazy big screen sucking all of your juice, right? I have only charged this band twice since I got it. So the battery life is listed at 2 weeks of usage. I seem to get right at that or a little bit more. Now, of course, your mileage may vary, but I think the battery is amazing on this. And it actually charges pretty well as well. Typically, what I would do is every few days, maybe once a week, I would just take it off whenever I get in the shower, let it charge on its docking station while I'm in the shower, come back, get dressed, put it on, and I don't have to worry about it. I think it's amazing having a product on your body like this that you do not have to think about the battery life, especially for somebody like me who was always busy with my life. I love the battery on this band. Now let's jump into the fun part of this band. So with this band, whenever you set it up, you have to set it up with the Hume Health app. And this app is so well designed. I love the way it looks. The way your data is presented within the application is very clear, very concise, and I think it looks beautiful. Now, I honestly think that Hume offers so much in terms of health that you really want to read over and know what they can offer you. I was actually surprised by how much of your health this band can track. It provides you an immense amount more of information than like your Apple Watch will. So for example, they give you an overall health score. The coolest part about this is that it tells you what your biological age is versus your chronological age, which is basically telling you if your body is aging faster or slower than the calendar says. It tracks your sleep, general activity, and your cardiovascular health. And instead of just dumping those confusing numbers on a screen for you, it gives you a simple letter grade that instantly tells you if you are doing good or not. And I love that. On the Apple Watch, it collects the data for you, but it doesn't give you feedback. It doesn't give you a grading system. It doesn't help you by showing you ways of increasing your score. There is no scoring system on the Apple Watch. outside of course, the typical rings. And I love that about this Hume Health Band. I feel like when that information is being tracked by this band, I feel like I get a lot more insight with my health overall. If you get a bad grade, you need to pick up the slack. Or if you have a really good grade, just keep doing what you are doing. And it even gives you a metabolic momentum. And to explain this simply, it's a real life tracking system that monitors your body's energy levels. So like I said, I've got multiple jobs, I've got a wife to take care of, I've got kids, and there may be days where you just don't feel well. And that could be due to overstrain, lack of sleep, pushing your body in a way that is not healthy. And that's exactly where this can help you out. It looks at your body's capacity, strain, and recovery to give you a clear picture of whether what you are doing is adding onto your life or losing life based on your daily habits. And I have never seen anything like this. And I actually tested this. There were multiple times to where I would work out hard during a day and then have those situations where I only sleep for 3 or 4 hours. And then that following day, my band will tell me, bro, get your stuff together because you're not doing good. And I think that that is just so cool and so unique. And not only will it tell me, hey, you are struggling today, right? But it will tell me why. So to say like, hey, you need to get more rest tonight. Hey, you need to decrease the amount of strain you're putting on your body. And it's funny because a lot of times when I see this, I know that it's telling the truth because that's how I feel as well, right? You know that your body is not at its full capability. And Hume, they're right there with you, giving you that reminder, pinging your ear, like, hey, get it together. And of course, it still does all of the basic health tracking. It tracks your steps. It tracks your heart rate. It actually gives you a blood pressure. It does your blood oxygen. It does your stress levels. It does a lot, just like every other band out there. And it easily presents it perfectly within the application. So if you're not hitting those 10,000 steps every day, you'll see it right there within your app. And one thing I had to get used to is that it doesn't have a full workout type of system for tracking just yet. So within the application, it's actually in beta, but you can track your walk workouts. You can track your runs. And I think that's really good, but I would really love to see Hume really expand on this. Give me options for hiking and rucking. I know cycling is in there as a beta, but give me options for swimming, for all of these other sports and activities. Like, of course, the band tracks your activity by itself, but I feel as a consumer, I feel a little bit more inclined to fully think that the system is tracking me perfectly if that exercise area is more built out. It's a really good start where it is, but Hume, I would love to see that enhanced more in the near future. And outside of the normal workout tracking, they also have a nutrition center as well, where you can go in and you can monitor all of your macros and you put in all of your data to where it's tracked within this application. Bottom line, I think if you are like me and you care about your health and you want to get more insight than just a basic step counter, than just a basic heart rate monitoring, I plan to use this for the foreseeable future. I just love that coaching aspect where it helps me increase my longevity in the long run based on what I'm doing on a daily basis. I think that is so unique and so cool. Now, if this looks like something you are interested in, I will make sure to leave my link down below so that you can check out your own biological age. But I appreciate you stopping by with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.